For families in Middleburg, home security isn't just about peace of mind, it's about protecting what matters most. While strong doors and alarm systems often take the spotlight, one of the most important, and sometimes overlooked, aspects of home protection is your windows. Windows are essential to your home's comfort and beauty, but they can also be vulnerable points of entry if they're outdated or poorly installed. Modern replacement windows are designed not only for energy efficiency and style but also to provide stronger protection and advanced security features that help safeguard your family. Here's how upgrading your windows can make your Middleburg home safer, stronger, and more secure. Reinforced materials for better protection. Older windows, especially those with wooden frames and single-pane glass, can weaken over time due to humidity, sun exposure, or simple wear and tear. In Florida's changing weather, this can make them easier to break or pry open. Today's replacement windows use high-strength materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, and aluminum, offering far greater durability and resistance to forced entry. Many come with multi-chambered frames and steel reinforcements that make them virtually impossible to bend or break. In addition, modern windows are fitted with impact-resistant or laminated glass, the same kind used in hurricane-rated products, which holds together even if struck. For Middleburg families, that means extra protection not just from intruders, but also from storm debris during Florida's severe weather seasons. Advanced locking systems for greater security. Security starts with reliable hardware, and modern replacement windows come equipped with advanced locking mechanisms that go far beyond basic latches. Features like multi-point locks, keyed handles, and recessed levers add extra layers of protection, making it much more difficult for anyone to manipulate or break the locking system. Sliding and double-hung models often include security pins and interlocking rails that reinforce the sashes, preventing the window from being lifted or forced open. Some manufacturers even offer smart lock technology, allowing homeowners to monitor and control window locks remotely as part of a connected home security system. When properly installed by professionals, these locking systems align perfectly, ensuring every window seals tightly and securely, without the weak points often seen in older or DIY-installed windows. Impact-resistant glass for safety and security. Middleburg's location means dealing with occasional high winds, tropical storms, and flying debris. Impact-resistant replacement windows are designed to protect your home during these events, and that same technology also serves as a major deterrent to break-ins. Impact glass is made by layering sheets of glass with a durable interlayer, typically polyvinyl butyryl (PVB). Even if the outer layer cracks, the glass stays intact, preventing easy entry. This not only enhances security but also minimizes the risk of injury from broken glass. Families benefit from both weather protection and year-round security, making impact-resistant windows one of the smartest upgrades for Middleburg homes. Professional installation for lasting results. Even the best security features won't perform properly if your windows aren't installed correctly. Poor installation can leave gaps, misaligned locks, or weak seals that compromise your safety and energy efficiency. That's where local window replacement professionals make all the difference. Middleburg experts understand local building codes, weather conditions, and best practices to ensure a tight, secure fit. Their precision installation guarantees your windows are properly anchored, sealed, and reinforced, maximizing both performance and protection. Professionally installed windows also reduce air leaks, prevent moisture intrusion, and improve soundproofing, contributing to a safer and more comfortable home overall. Security with style and efficiency. You don't have to sacrifice beauty for safety. Today's replacement windows come in a variety of styles, finishes, and configurations that enhance curb appeal while keeping your home secure. Plus, modern energy-efficient designs, featuring low-E coatings, double panes, and insulated frames, help reduce energy costs while maintaining indoor comfort. The same airtight seals that keep heat out in the summer and warmth in during the winter also make it harder for intruders to pry windows open. It's the perfect blend of form and function for Middleburg families who value both safety and sophistication. Final thoughts for families in Middleburg: home security starts with strong, reliable windows. By investing in high-quality replacement windows and professional installation, you're not just improving your home's look and comfort, you're reinforcing its first line of defense. From durable materials and impact-resistant glass to advanced locking systems and precise installation, today's replacement windows provide the safety and confidence every family deserves. When it comes to protecting your home, upgrading your windows isn't just an improvement, it's peace of mind built to last.